Think of a famous painting. Can you remember the frame? Probably not, because a great frame isn't meant to be noticed. It's meant to make the artwork shine. That's how I think about soil. The plant should always be the center of attention. Soil should quietly support it. A beautiful container deserves a beautiful finish. Botanical soil doesn't compete with the container, it complements it. Black creates contrast. Contrast creates focus, and suddenly the plant becomes the first thing your eyes see. Beauty matters, but beauty alone isn't enough. Botanical soil wasn't designed only to look good. Every characteristic has a purpose. Roots don't just need water, they need air. Granular soil leaves space for both. Plants belong in our living spaces. Cleaner soil makes that easier. Less mess, less worry. Most plants naturally prefer slightly acidic conditions, so botanical soil simply works with nature instead of against it. Second life, and sometimes a third. One version contains fertilizer, one doesn't. Sometimes you'll use one, sometimes the other, sometimes both. We don't believe there's only one right answer. We believe curiosity grows better questions. Welcome to Botanical Soil Lab.